started rappelling out of Huey helicopters with an M16. What's up, you guys? We're here with the Supra right now, the one with the 2JZ that we bagged last week. This is the one that we did the Airlift 3P on, the one you use your cell phone to look cool in front of your friends, operate it, has preset ride height upon start. You don't need any experience with air ride. When you start the car and activate the air ride system, it goes to ride height. This customer is fresh on bags. We did Megan coilover conversion with our Billet Brakets. Check it out, man, this shit is fire. You guys aren't ready for this one. This is a 370z Nismo we did over HKS coilovers with the same pattern where we do the billet threaded brackets for the strut bag that go right onto the coilover, making it into a one piece. We did that with the 3P as well. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. For information and to purchase this kit that you just saw, check out the link below.